Choosing online business software can feel overwhelming. There are hundreds of tools, endless reviews, and constant advice telling you what to buy next. This video is here to help you think clearly before you make those decisions. Most people don't fail because software is bad. They fail because they choose tools too early, before understanding what they actually need to build. Most reviews focus on features and comparisons. They rarely explain what to build first, what to ignore, or how tools are meant to work together. Without that context, even good tools create confusion. This channel is different. The focus here is clarity before tools. Understanding first, decisions second. Here, you'll learn what to build first, why systems matter more than individual features, and how different platforms fit together once you understand the bigger picture. You won't find tools pushed without context. You won't be overwhelmed with options. And you won't hear hype about shortcuts that don't actually work. This channel is for beginners, builders, and entrepreneurs who want clarity before they invest time, money, or effort into software. If you want clarity before choosing tools, you're in the right place.